Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Janina Acosta,
How old are you?
29 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Okay, do you have kids?
yes. One,
How old the kid?
5 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No,
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Kolonto.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square feet.
How many family member there?
4 members.
How many kids?
2 kids.
How old the kids?
3 and 8.
Okay, so how would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6:30
Uh-huh.
and then prepare breakfast for the kid.
Okay, and then?
I start cleaning the house around 9 o'clock before they go out.
Okay.
My employer.
Okay. How about dinner? What time you cook?
6:30.
What time they eat?
7.
Okay, so what time?
7:30.
So what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.